Creativity is the gift of God. Art is known to be the creation of God. A miracle is born. Only from a gifted hand. We bring you the hands of God to make your creative dreams come true. Prismlab China Ltd is a high-tech company with a mission of becoming the world's first brand of 3D printing for commercial business applications. Prismlab is committed to the research and development of the 3D printing equipment and its supporting molding materials. We have been a key unit in many major projects for our nation's R&D for the past many years. Technology innovation has been our major breakthrough. Before engaging in 3D printing industry, Prismlab has been a major player in the development and production of imaging 2D equipment. By the end of 2013, our chairman, Mr. Ho Feng, with high foresight, understood the necessity of developing from 2D to 3D. We developed the first LCD Large Area Array, LLAA, for 3D printing, and based on it, the rapid series of 3D printers, with supporting light-curing resins that were faster than any conventional machine in the world.
在2014年全球最大、最专业的工业 3D 打印机展会上，我们发现只有普利生一家中国 3D 打印机公司参加了这次展会。当时我们就很兴奋，因为这意味着我们已经具备了和国际巨头平等竞争的能力。
We announced the arrival of our rapid 3D printer models to the world. Ever since, there has been no looking back. With the patented exposure system of Prismlab, the speed of production is increased by tenfold. The cost of production is reduced considerably and shortens product processing cycles. For the first time, a complete solution to print personalized projects in batches, making 3D printing a part of the industry pipeline, was seen by the world market. Prismlab achieved success in production areas like dental aligners, etc. to begin with. We entered into medical, industrial, educational, architectural, and many more areas of 3D printing with time. With high speed, high quality, high precision, low cost of printing, we have made ourselves present in all the market we have entered to, with high customer satisfaction. With the launch of fully automatic machine in the dental aligner for specific customs, we help the productivity and profitability of our clients many folds. Prismlab believes that with only high productivity will be the future of 3D growth.
当我们技术创新和应用创新出现了以后，我们其实是没有办法对这个技术创新以及应用创新直接进行复制的。那如果要对它进行直接复制的话，那我们必须要把当中最有价值的部分抽取出来，而这个过程就是我们所谓的理念创新。
The faster productivity will be the ultimate answer for the 3D to be profitable. High production will cut down the cost of production, which will in turn help the end users to get products at a reasonable price, hence an increase in demand for more 3D printed parts. Taking forward the innovation, in July 2018, our strong team of R&D developed the patented nanotechnology 3D printer, Micro-Nano structure additive manufacturing process and equipment. which is being used in highly scientific projects, and the new breed of application in the 3D industry. In November 2018, BASF, the famous German chemical industry company who are listed in the Fortune Global 500 top companies, decided to associate with Prismlab and did strategic investments in the company. BASF develops the latest resins needed for the market at very high quality.
中国市场正经历了智能制造转型，普利生的创新技术能提高打印大尺寸纸件的稳定性，也符合巴斯夫在 3D 打印领域加大新技术的投入以及扩展产品组合的发展战略。
我们相信，有普利生的存在，我们可以让广大的传统行业与众不同。他们在普利生的支持下，在他们原来的这个行业当中，做出和原来完全不一样的柔性制造的一个成果。
Prismlab has been looking forward to take the 3D print industry to new height with its innovative ideas and strong researches. Our objective is to help the traditional market to make use of the advantages of 3D printing. Success to our clients is the fuel that keeps us running faster and faster. Applications are the backbone to 3D industry, and we look forward to make our machine adaptable to more and more applications every day.